We bedded down for the night. Special thanks to the Stocksary campsite. I hope I pronounced that right. Stocksary. I think that's right. Stocksary campsites. We utilized the facilities, showers, washrooms, charging capability for the camper, all without a hitch. Good people. This trip was almost a wreck before it got started. Did you ever hear the one about the lady that lost her wallet an hour into the trip in Iceland? Yeah, she left her purse in a taxi cab. True story. As for the indie camper, well, we have some issues. This loft was like sleeping in Shawshank prison. Up on the top bunk. Hopefully it gets better. We had a little bit of problem with the boiler or whatever. We couldn't get the warmth going, but we'll see what we can do for day 2 here. Speaking of which, we got some great stops. First of all, we're just pulling into the Seljalandsfoss Waterfall. Fantastic. This is the one where you can go in and behind the waterfall. I'll use the Insta360 too. We'll get some great perspectives. Location 1, day 2. Actually pretty dynamite. Windy as hell out here, but fantastic views. And most of these spots, when you get there, all you got to do is pay a couple krona for parking, but otherwise it's basically free for you to come as a visitor and take a look around. Skogafoss Waterfall.
You're such a nerd.
You stop. Skogafoss Waterfalls is widely considered. My bad. Not wildly. Widely considered to be one of Iceland's most famous waterfalls.
Most beautiful.
Most beautiful! Get it right, man! We're about to kick Skogafoss' ass. What is she doing to me? This is crazy. I know what a waterfall looks like. It sounded like a good idea at first. We made it. I'm gonna tell your mom. We made it. I found your purse.